Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a box from TheRealReal, and in case you are not familiar with TheRealReal, they are a company, a website that sell pre-loved products, and this is the first time I'm buying from them. I'm a little bit nervous because I rarely buy pre-loved items because first of all, I'm not sure I'm good at authenticating those bags, and second of all, when buying pre-loved products, you don't really know the condition of it. Some of the websites like Fashion Found, they do show the back corner and to show you like how is the condition of the bag. But TheRealReal, I noticed that they don't really show you every corner of the bag, so sometimes really hard to predict if the bag is actually good or not. I decided to pick up this one because I don't think many people are familiar with this brand, and I don't think people make fake bag for this brand. So let's take a look. So this is my first time buying from them, and look like they say they authenticate every item, but I'm really not sure how accurate the team in terms of authenticating items. So, but let's take a look. Let's take it out, and it does come with the TheRealReal dust bag. And let's take it out. So this is a helmet bag from Human Made Company. Not sure if you are familiar with this. I didn't know much about this company either. I think they are based in Japan. I remember went to a party and saw somebody wear a jacket that's from Human Made, and I was really impressed by their quality. So since then I have been kind of look around and trying to find their products. But I think right now you can only order officially from their Japanese website. So when I saw this on TheRealReal, and I decided to get it because I think they stated that this bag condition is still in excellent, I believe. And how do you not like all these patches, right? Recently, Coach does a lot of bags that with cute patches, and this is just too cute. And I think dark is kind of one of their things. So this is kind of like the streetwear version of Dooney and Bird. I think people probably gonna hate me for saying that. I don't think streetwear people would like me to say this is the streetwear version of the Dooney and Bird. So I probably shouldn't say that. Personally, I love Dooney and Bird, and I love the cute doggy. So when I see this, I just kind of so attracted to it. Let's look at this bag. This bag has these two top handle and then the removable adjustable crossbody straps. It says gears for futuristic teenagers. Oh, I guess this is not the bag for me since I'm not teenagers anymore. Oh my. I don't know what to. I'm a little bit speechless reading that, but it's a very cute bag. Let's look at the patches. And I like that it has this zipper closure, so when you go out you can just zip it out and your stuff is very secure. Inside of it is basically a dart hole. It's no pockets, no slip pocket, no zipper pockets. It's very straightforward. But I think the material is somewhat padded. It's not like flimsy, thin material. Maybe I'm not sure if you can see. See, it's pretty solid. Although this one was from TheRealReal and is a pre-loved bag, but I don't see anywhere at all. If you're buying from TheRealReal, it does say that this item is fine. I think this one was on sale. It said this item is final sale, is not returnable. Luckily, I love this bag since it's not returnable, right? Really cool bag, and I'm looking forward to style it with some of my younger looking clothes. Hopefully I can look like a teenager again with this bag. Just joking. Thanks for joining me for today's unboxing, my first purchase from TheRealReal, and we'll talk again soon. Bye.